Happy Halloween, y'all. It's Cynthia, Global Traveler Realtor. I say it all the time, but I cannot believe we are into October. It's a beautiful time of year, but we're almost at the end of 2024. Believe it or not, my garden is still producing. Very rewarding. I might even get to see the Aurora Borealis tonight, something that's been on my list for a long time. I was thinking back, this time last year, I was on the Camino de Santiago, walking 180 miles in 12 days from Porto, Portugal to Santiago, Spain. If you've ever done a Camino anywhere in the world, reach out. I'd love to hear what your experience was, and maybe you can give me some suggestions for my next one. I'd really like to start by giving my deepest heartfelt sympathies to those that have been in the wake of the hurricanes. It has been devastating. Helene and Milton have really taken a toll on Florida and North Carolina. A huge thank you to the folks who have the boots on the ground there helping out. We're seeing neighbors helping neighbors, folks coming in from all over the country just to be there to help bring in supplies and maybe clean up, do whatever there is that they can do to make a difference. There are wonderful organizations that are out there helping as well, and they're in need of monetary donations to bring in supplies and other things. Our local community collected enough goods to fill 2 tractor trailers to take to Asheville, North Carolina. I'm feeling very, very fortunate right now. Sometimes you forget how much you take for granted. Things as simple as just toothbrushes and toothpaste. You know, we don't even... we do it every day and don't even think about it. So I hope you all are safe out there. As we roll into the October issue, you'll get some Halloween tips, one of my favorite times of year, which you probably can tell already. I got a delicious pumpkin recipe for you and some updates on the current real estate market. And of course, there's a lot more. We're continuing to see a move to a more normal housing market, which is so good and so healthy for both the buyers and the sellers. The rates are still higher than what they were a couple years ago, but the competition is decreasing, which is really good for buyers because we're not seeing that they're having to waive everything like their home inspections and their appraisal contingencies and things like that, or even paying way over asking price. So I am here as your realtor to answer any questions, to assist you in any way. If you need a free market report for your neighborhood, or you need to know, hey, who's a contractor that I can use to help paint my house or put on a new roof, reach out. I've got lots of connections for that. Have you even considered moving abroad? As a global realtor, I got you covered anywhere in the world. Later this month, I'm going to be hosting a webinar about the benefits of Panama. Some of you know I lived there for quite a while. It has been rated one of the top countries to live in or retire to. So look for that. Reach out, let's chat, and remember, you can live anywhere, live to travel, travel to live, and I hope to hear from you soon. So see you around the world somewhere.